It smell like coolant. Shit is cooked. Yeah, that's the one that wouldn't start. What y'all think? Blown head gasket, burning coolant, cracked head. I don't know, it was towed in. You see it's in the tow-in spot. Look, it took me forever to get this thing running. I killed my jump box, spinning it over because it had no compression. Just after so long of that, when the oil pressure built up, and only then when the valve started opening and closing. But it took overnight. Ooh, something. Look like coolant leak. I don't know. Could be these hoses down here. Now see that? And let's go to the coolant. So basically the engine overheated and they just kept driving it till they warped the head. Yep, that's the only thing I can think of. There's no coolant. In fact, I need to turn it off. Well, the damage is done. Look. So, yeah, they just kept driving. People, you got to understand when to stop driving. Okay, if that coolant tip hand reaches a certain temperature, it's over. Oh my goodness. I hope this ain't all-wheel drive because I don't want to fight with that damn PTU. Let me see if this damn thing four-wheel drive. This ain't all-wheel drive, is it? Woo, thank God. That PTU and look, they got coolant right here, so they knew it. Oh, no.
Oh, man.
Dead giveaway. It's too late now, buddy. You done cooked your motor. Oh, no. Poor customer. Yeah, this engine too far gone. Oh, my God. All because of holes that go to the reservoir. That's it. Oh, the temp climbing fast? Oh, well. I mean, well, we can shut it off so we can save the engine. It's like already cooked. I would climb fast too if I ain't had nothing in it. I can't believe I got it running. I'm still shocked at that because I spent the whole day spinning this shit over. I'm about to turn it on. Alright. Yep, still need a motor.
Oh, yeah.
But, poor customer. They're gonna see all that and go decline.
Dude, I've seen some wild shit.
Yeah. It's like paying auto insurance all your life and you never have a wreck. That's the state I'm in.
Yeah.
Hey, at some point, give me my money back.
Right.
On my first incident, they give me hell. Hey, man, I've been driving 20 years, ain't never had a wreck. Accident forgiveness, they should do that shit. Alright, enough fun for the day. If they can prove it, good for her. Well, I need a motor.